So today I'm at the poppy fields, not the, oh, there's a plane. Awkward. Hello everyone, I'm Virginia. Welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, then welcome back. Thanks so much for watching. So today we're going to talk about what to do when you're not working. I know I'm usually talking and giving some tips, but today I wanted to start out in a different headspace and do a little bit of show and tell. So here we go. So I'm at the poppy fields today, but not the ones in Lake Elsinore. I'm at the ones in Antelope Valley. Obviously, it's a little hard for me to talk because there are planes flying overhead and there are a lot of people out here. So I will just go back inside real quick. So as you can see, I spent some of my time off at the poppy fields. It took about an hour to get there, and then I spent about 2 hours hiking through the hills. Afterwards, I grabbed some Thai food, and then right before I went to bed, I took a super hot shower. So my point is, what should you be doing when you're not working? Probably taking a break. So many actors and freelancers and crew members spend all of their time working or looking for work and not very much time taking a break. Now, while you should be looking for your next job so that you can support yourself, you should also be taking a little bit of time to relax and re-energize. Also, if you're in between jobs, you're pretty much in the spot that everybody wants to be in. So make sure that you really really take time to take a break and make sure that you don't burn out when you're on your next job. And if you're in between jobs, then you're pretty much in the place that everybody strives to be. So just take a break before your next job. It'll keep you from burning out. So the point that I really want to drive home is you don't have to take a lot of time off or go very far. You can go to the park, you can go see your friends, or you can just buy your favorite food. The point is to push away any worries for a while so that you have time to get your mind in order before you start working again. So if you feel re-energized and you've taken your break, then I have a list of things that you can do that might be helpful for when you're not working. So my first thing would be clean, because you probably need to. If you've been on set for weeks or even months, then you probably need to get some things back in order. Do your laundry, organize your equipment, or even do the dishes. Just make sure to reset your space so that it's a good working environment for you. My second tip would be contact or reach out to people you've been meaning to. This doesn't just have to be your friends. If you have professional contacts that you've been meaning to meet up with or grab lunch with, then definitely contact them or shoot them an email. My third recommendation actually goes a little bit to looking for more work. So if you just finished a job, or if you have another one lined up, this is the perfect time to use it to advertise yourself in order to get another job. Right now, there's a little bit of buzz created from the fact that you just finished something, so go ahead and use that when you're looking for your next job or writing your new cover letter. Fourth, I would say run some errands. If you need to buy groceries or go to the bank or even repair your car, now is the perfect time to get that done because you're not worried about scheduling it in when you're on set. So my fifth tip would be reorganize your schedule and calendar to make sure that it's efficient and working for you. Now is the perfect time to take a look and make sure that your calendar is actually doing what you need it to. And my sixth and final note would be take a step back and look at the big picture. See how much progress you've made and where you'd like to progress in the future. So I'd say that's a wrap. If you found this video helpful, then feel free to give it a like. And if you'd like to see more of this type of content, then go ahead and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.